welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a video of Michael and I actually making dinner today. We decided to film it so we can get some criticism on how we make our food. So let's get right into it.
I don't want any criticism. To make our Parmesan encrusted chicken, we're going to use some flour, some Parmesan, some panko seasoning. We have some eggs over here, some chicken, and I don't really know what these are because I don't eat them.
So once you have your ingredients lined out in front of you, you're going to want to start with the chicken. So we have
Chicken.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of chicken. We're not going to use all of that because we're just 2 people. What's so funny?
Why did it take you so long to count that?
I can't see. We're just going to use 2. We're going to butterfly it in half. That way it's easier to cook. And we'll save the rest for another day.
Alright, so we're going to take the chicken, we're going to take it out of the package, put it on top of this, and we're going to butterfly it, which means that we're going to take the chicken, kind of like spread its cheeks and cut it down the middle. So we're going to cut it right down the middle, and this is the way that we can make it look like there's more chicken than there actually is. So we're going to again cut it so it's kind of like out like this, like a butterfly. That's why it's called butterflying. We've been working out a little bit, so that's how she was able to get that open so easy. So let's take our one knife, because we just moved and we only have this one.
Just one.
We're going to cut open our chicken.
Did you wash your hands?
So now that my hands are clean, I'm going to recontaminate them and touch this chicken. So let's flick off the water. This is safe.
Scissor me. Yeah,
Alright.
she's gonna get everywhere. Don't do this. If you're at home, have like parchment paper or what's that, the clear one? Just don't do this without a cover, okay?
Just don't do this, period. This is a terrible idea. Don't cook. Just go to Chick-fil-A.
So while he's pounding the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put some panko and some eggs in a bowl. So I'm gonna use 2 eggs. So then I actually got 2 plates, one for panko and one for flour. So we do have measuring cups, but I don't want to clean them, so I'm just gonna eye measure it.
We're going to use our hands so we can really get in there and make sure that our measurements are fine.
We're using 4C, but we're using name brand here. Doesn't really matter. And just put that on a plate. And I'm also going to put a little bit of grated Romano Parmesan cheese into the panko mixture. And then I'm also going to season it because I feel like panko is just a little on the less tastier side. So I'm going to put some Goya in this as well.
Butterfly.
So Goya, if you don't know, you need it. It's basically all-purpose seasoning. I've been using this my whole life. Thank you, Mom. So it's just like a mixture of salt, garlic, oregano, black pepper, and turmeric. Those are actually the ingredients in here. So while he's figuring out how to cut a chicken, I'm going to preheat this pan, and I'm going to put olive oil onto the stove on medium heat. So now that he's halfway done with the chicken, I'm just going to season the actual chicken breast with salt and pepper, just to give it an initial flavor. Alright, now that I have seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper, now I'm just going to put it in the flour. I'll be honest with you guys, I watched the Ina Garden video before I started this. She makes it look so easy. She's like, oh, my husband's home, try to set out the wine. You know how she does it. She didn't do anything. You know who Ina Garden is?
No.
Barefoot Contessa?
No, that was Gianna Nicole.
No.
That's a chef, right?
I don't know. It starts with a G, but that's not her name.
I almost said Gianna Michaels, but she doesn't cook chicken.
Who's Gianna Michaels? Now that we have the chicken covered in flour, now I'm going to dip it in the egg. And from the egg, I am going to just put it straight into the panko. Now that you have your chicken breaded, we're going to go put it on the heat now. So the oil is a little bit hot, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure it has that sizzle. It's very minimal, but it's there. Once upon a time we were falling in love. Now we're only falling apart.
Sizzle. So when it's golden brown like that, what we're gonna do is we're going to put it in the oven. So to do that, we put some aluminum foil on this tray, right next to the raw chicken. And then we're gonna put it on top of that and then put it inside of our oven.
So we usually, the chicken has to be laid on each side for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer it over to the baking tray that we have. So now that all the chicken is cooked, I'm just gonna put it in the oven for some time. So while the chicken is baking, I did put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So while that's going, Michael made some rice, or is in the process of making rice, and I was just gonna make us some salads. So salad, meaning we use Olive Garden, croutons, and dressing, and just some pre-made salad and spinach. So Michael is more of a spinach fan. I am more of just a regular salad fan. I do mix a little bit of spinach into mine just to be a little bit healthier, but yeah, he has his own bowl. And for mine, I just use a Veggie Lovers Fresh Express salad. So now I'm gonna take the chicken out of the oven. All right, now the chicken is just gonna cool off a bit, and we're just gonna focus on the sides for right now. Croutons for me. That's good. And croutons for Michael. He likes a little bit more than I do. Oh no! That's okay. Just about a tablespoon. And side salads are done. So we are finally done. I'm exhausted. So I'm just plating the chickens. The salads are already done. I also steamed up some broccoli, and I am gonna serve the rice that Michael made. And voila, this is a finished masterpiece. And that's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below if you guys made it, see if you tried it out. Please don't make it as a mess as we did, and make sure it doesn't take you 2 hours. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Alo.
We're gonna take some chicken. You ready to rock and roll? We're gonna make some chicken parmesan.
It's not
Parmesan encrusted chicken.
chicken, don't. Stop. Stop with the food. On top.
These hands were made for love.
No.
Sorry, didn't see you there.
You're gonna want to start with the bread. So we're not using chicken parm because it